Alright, so now that our character is ready, now we will rig the character, so we are ready to animate the character. For rigging, what we need is one helper. I'll use a dummy. This helper will be used to place the character in the right place wherever we want the character to be. So a dummy is basically just an object that is used to select the entire character. So we will create a dummy like this. You can see that I can move the character wherever I want with the dummy. The link was not selected. Okay. So how it works is we will use the link tool. Select the spring, click on the dummy, select basically all the objects and connect it to the dummy. I wonder if I need to do these. Let me undo it. Okay, I guess I need to do all of these. So connect it to the dummy, select this, connect it to the dummy. Alright, now we are going to move this. This is attached, okay, and when this moves, the head should move with it. So we are going to link the head to this part. Okay, so when the head when this moves, the head moves, and we need to link the ears to the head. So the head, whenever the head moves, the ear should move to the head. So if the head is going to rotate, the ears will also rotate, and when this rotates, the whole thing rotates. Alright, now same way the tail will be linked to this object. So when this rotates, the tail also rotates. Alright, now coming back to the feet and the body. Now we are going to use position constraint to constrain the position of this object to these feet. So what we do is we select this object, we go to animation, constrain, position constraint, and then we'll select the foot. And now you will see that the torso has moved to the feet, so we'll click on keep initial offset. So whenever this foot moves, the body moves. We'll do the same thing, animation constraint, position constraint, this foot. And now what has happened is it has positioned the box 1 and box 2. Let us rename these. So it starts with dog, it's a food, and it is left for the dog. So again, dog, foot, right, left, front, right, front. So we will copy this, paste it, back. Select this, copy this, back. Okay, this is dog, spring, dog tail, dog face, dog ear left, dog ear right, dog rig, dog hip, dog cursor. Okay, so we have linked all our objects. Now when we move this, this is not linked yet. This moves. Why is this not moving? We will link this leg, this leg, that's better, and then we will link this leg and this leg. Okay, now that's better. I should have made it small in the beginning, so it's okay. I thought I'll make it smaller, but now I cannot. Anyway, it's not going to be rendered. So now you are able to move the dog wherever you want. The tail can wag using the bend direction. The ear rotation has to be fixed. So we will go to left. Alright. We need to change the pivot point of the ear. So affect pivot only, and then we will pivot it here. Affect pivot only, we will pivot it here. So basically we just have to animate the flapping of the ear like this. Okay, so that is done. Our front legs are done. Now back legs. So we will do the same thing with the hip. Animation, constraint, position constraint this leg, and again we will say keep initial offset, and then animation. So again the hip is selected, then animation, constraint, position constraint, and then the other fit. So now when this moves, this leg moves, and then when this happens, this will be in the middle always. Okay, and then same way when it goes up and down. Okay, our rig is ready now. The whole character can be moved. We can animate the legs. We can even jump. Okay, and then so that concludes our rigging, and in the next class we will start animation.